Hello guys and welcome to JavaFX tutorial for beginners. So in this video we will see how to use lambda expression. So lambda expression means it is a feature of Java 8 or we can say JDK 8. When we browse or when we search the feature of Java 8, so Java 8 features, the third feature, or I will say this is a main feature of the Java 8, or it is a very useful for use of lambda expression. So I will show you in with practical how it's work or how it's different. What should we use this lambda expression? So I will show you in how to add the event in button. Firstly, in simple step, I will show you how to add the event on button. Then I will show you how to use the lambda expression to use this event. So firstly, I want to add the button action event on button. So I use this button object here, button dot set on action method. In this we have to create the event handler, use the new operator, event handler, action event, and parenthesis and open curly brackets. Okay, so it shows some error, so let's check. So it say import the action event, import it. So it show the error again, so let's check. So it say rename in file, but what is the error main? Event handler cannot be resolved to a type. When are you in this condition? So what should we do for this? So this method cannot find the event handler package. Okay, so we need to just import the packages event handler. You can import the javafx dot event, or we can use the star also. Then it's go the error here and show again error. So check. So it show add the unimplemented method. Click here. So it's implement one method like public void handle action event. And you can pass here the argument e. So firstly, you can say system dot out dot println event is successfully. Okay, now check whether it's work or not. Click here. Now you can see here in console the event is successful. So this way you can add the event on any component, on button components. Okay, so this is the old fashion to add the event. So how to use the lambda expression? So delete this all stuff and use the button object set on action and give one argument. You can give anything, event or e, then arrow and open curly brackets. Now give any action you want to perform after clicking the button. ln hello javafx and semicolon. So system, then run and click on hello Udemy. Now you can see here the hello javafx. So this way you can use the lambda expression, it's decrease the size of code, or it's much easier to use the lambda expression in event. You can create a new class like on event and only this, or we can pass the button object also. Create the one user event, one user class, user defined class, pass the button. Okay, then system dot out dot print, or we can say the change the text of button, set set text and give the name hello Java and run this program. Now click, you can see the hello Java fx. So you can use the action on in this, or you can give the class name of your user defined class name, or you can perform the action using lambda expression. So this way you can use the lambda expression. This is the more useful for when we code on larger application or complex application. So this is a more useful or easier. See you in next video, guys.